Nowadays, accidents can happen to anyone, anytime, anywhere. And when they do, it's important to have insurance to help cover the costs of damages and injuries. But how can insurance companies accurately predict the likelihood of motor insurance claim? In this scenario, we have been provided with the data set of motor insurance claims detailing various features such as age, gender, car make and model, and driving history. Using this data, we aim to build a machine learning model that can accurately predict the likelihood of a motor insurance claim based on these features. This will help insurance companies to better manage their risk and make more informed decisions when setting premiums. This can ultimately lead to more affordable insurance rates for customers while still providing adequate coverage for accidents and damages. We have implemented solutions to help improve the motor insurance business with the power of machine learning, where we have used motor insurance claims dataset, which is available publicly, and techniques like imputation, one hot encoding, and scaling. Following libraries like Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, and Scikit-learn were used for the purpose of visualization and model building. We have explored this problem with several algorithms like logistic regression, decision tree, random forests, and SVC. And the following evaluation metrics like accuracy and confusion metrics were used. So, if you need a solution, you can reach us by email or through our website. Our team is ready to help you with your needs and get the solutions you are looking for. Thanks.